I want to show you how to create a quick histogram and a box plot using a program called Geogebra. When you first open up Geogebra, you'll notice it looks like this. I'm going to go to here to View, and I'm going to select the Spreadsheet view, which opens up the spreadsheet. Now, I'm going to use Excel, which I have my data in, and copy and paste from Excel. So I'm going to copy, then go to Geogebra and paste it. First, highlight the data, and you'll notice your toolbar has changed. I'm going to click on the icon that looks like a histogram, and if I click at the little bottom rectangle, I see that there's options here, but the one I want is just the default, which is one variable analysis. Click on it. I'll now click on Analyze, and it creates a histogram. Now, the nice feature about this is that I want to also create a box plot. Click on this icon with the double bars, and it creates a box plot directly underneath. Now, if you want to alter your graph a bit, say that you want to start it at a different position, you can come over here to this Options button and set classes manually. Now, the one thing you must be careful of is that if you set this at the wrong start, then nothing might show up because you've entered a value that is not low enough. So if I looked at my data here, for example, and I entered 50, there's certainly values less than 50. So if I entered 50, say with a 5, everything will disappear. But if I come over here and look for the lowest value, I see it's 26, 25, 24. Let's just be safe and call it 20. With a width, let's say, of 10. Then the values again appear. You can also set the axis here. Let me enlarge this a bit. It's just too small here right now. And you can set your own dimensions. Notice as soon as I did that, for some reason, now the width is at 10. When I had entered this previously, nothing had changed. So I have to go here to graph, click on automatic dimensions. Now if I click it back, notice that it doesn't do anything. But again, you can set this to anything you want. You'll notice now that the bottom is a bit off. So one thing that this is nice for is to compare both the histogram and the box plot. And if you see things are off a bit, they're not aligning, all you do is click on graph here at the bottom as well, unclick automatic dimensions, and then set it so it's identical to the other graph sitting above. And really all I care about is the X dimensions. Don't worry about the Y dimensions. And now you notice everything is lining up beautifully. The box plot also has the feature that if you click on box plot, it shows outliers. Right now, you've noticed that there's no outliers being shown because there are no outliers.